Hey, Park Ranger B, where are you, man? Park Ranger B, hey man, you out here? Park Ranger B, look what I found, dude, huh?
Get over here, hurry!
What?
Come, just, I'll tell you when you come over here.
Talking to me?
Yeah, you. Come, just.
Me? What?
Come on.
Over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hurry.
What am I hurrying for?
Guys.
Here, I'll leave this here. Okay. All right. What are we hiding from, huh?
Okay, I heard some weird dinosaur noises.
Dinosaur noises?
Yeah.
There's no dinosaur noises here. All the dinosaurs are at T-Rex Ranch, huh? We're here at the old Dino HQ. There's no dinosaurs
But
anymore.
I knew I heard one.
Oh yeah, I heard that.
Yeah, I told you.
Okay. I wonder where that's coming from. Oh, look over there.
It's a baby T-Rex.
It is a baby T-Rex.
But
Where'd the baby T-Rex come
I
from?
don't know. We don't have one of those.
We only have T-Bone. We don't have a baby.
Yeah.
If you're gonna have a baby, you need a mommy. That means there's a mommy T-Rex somewhere around here.
What should we call her?
Oh, I don't know. We'll worry about that later. We gotta find her first. Okay. First things first, though. We gotta figure out how to get away. Ooh, it's coming this way. I don't know where to go. Oh, because I don't know if it's gonna go that way or that way. Let's go in the pool, okay?
Yeah,
Come on.
the
Come
pool.
on. Come on. Okay.
You go first.
No, you go first.
For you.
No, I can't. It's too cold.
Well, you're gonna have to face your fear, man.
No,
or else I'll push you in.
Okay. 1. Ooh, it's coming. 2.
Just go.
3. Ah! Oh, it wasn't that cold after all.
3.
Your turn.
2, 1. Ah!
Oh, no, man. You went farther than I thought you would. Whoa, it's coming. Quick, get out in the middle. Here, we got to get farther away from the shore. Here. Oh, it's cold. Wait, what? Oh, it's a pterodactyl. Hey, it's a cool inflatable pterodactyl, man. Here, shh, come on in here. Oh, it's coming around. Okay, what are we gonna do? What do we do?
We can scare it away using this.
Oh, you think a T-Rex is gonna go for a pterodactyl?
Yeah.
No. Wait, is it a carnivore or is it a omnivore?
I don't know.
Okay.
It has to work. Just...
Okay, well, you know, it's a baby T-Rex. Maybe it'll work. Okay, let's give it a try. Here, watch this. Okay, here we go. Okay, T-Rex, take this. Oh, it's not working. You know what? He probably doesn't believe it. We need some sound, then it'll believe it.
Sound.
Sound, how are we gonna get sound, huh? Oh, yeah, that'll work. Oh yeah, I think that worked. Louder. Come on, louder. Okay, angry now. Yeah, it's working. There goes T-Rex. Come on. Hey, take that, T-Rex.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? Even though summer's almost over, the water's pretty nice.
Yeah.
I think we should have a little bit of pool fun, huh?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go get some floats and jump in the pool.
No.
Here we go.
Oh, what? You missed.
I missed, man. Okay, you ready for our first challenge?
Yeah.
All right, so these are inflatable chairs. They're not really pool floats, so nobody should do this at home, okay? Because we're just gonna use these because it's all I could find. And then we're gonna have our little swords here, our foam swords, like that, huh? See? And we're gonna do some jousting, okay?
Yeah.
All right, pool float chair, inflatable chair jousting. Here we go. Get in my chair now, okay? Here we go. There we go. You ready for inflatable chair jousting?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, joust. You're not even gonna make the challenge.
Oh, this is looking a bit flat.
You lost your pterodactyl.
And you lost your moo-moo.
It's rodeo cow versus pterodactyl, okay?
Yeah.
So, the wild water rodeo here, the goal is to stay on for 8 seconds without falling off. And I think I'm gonna have a hard time doing that. But if I can, I'm gonna take on your pterodactyl, all right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for it. It's rodeo cow versus pterodactyl. Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, you want some of this, huh?
Yeah, I do.
Come on.
Dad, I win.
Maybe you should do the rodeo cow and I'll do the pterodactyl, okay? Okay, now it's pterodactyl versus rodeo cow. Take some of this, huh? My pterodactyl's gonna get you.
I'm gonna get you.
Take that! Take that! All done with the pterodactyl. All right, you ready for the next activity? Huh?
What's this?
Oh, yeah. That's the package that I found inside. You wanna, wait, I know. Before we open it up, let's do some water baseball, and whoever gets the most hits gets to open the package, huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Is that the bat we're gonna use?
Yep.
All right, and these are the water balloons. We'll do some water balloon baseball. Okay, I'll pitch. I'll get in the pool on the pterodactyl and I'll pitch them to you, okay?
Here.
Whoever gets the most hits wins. Oh, wow!
So
That's so cool. Ooh, 5 hits. You got 8 hits, okay? 10 hits still. Oh, 11. Last one. Can you get to 12? 12!
Yeah!
You got a dozen.
Yeah. Okay, Parker and Jordan, see if you can beat my 12 hits.
Okay, here we go. Ah!
That's one.
That's one, man. Okay, come on, pitcher. 4.
That's one.
Ah! I hit that one at least. That's 8.
You missed.
Oh, man, I only got 8.
win.
You won the batting challenge, so you get to open up whatever's in that surprise package there. I don't have any idea what it is. I just found it. Hey, what is that?
Water Wubble.
What's a water wubble?
I don't know.
Huh. Hey, it's something we fill with water. Let's go get a hose and see if we can figure out what it does, okay?
Yeah.
Watch this.
Come on.
How big do you want it, huh?
Pretty big.
Huh? Is that big enough there?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's good, man. Okay, there
Oh!
you go. Oh, wow. Man, it's like a giant belly or something, huh? Oh, did you see? Oh, you sprung a leak there, huh? Uh-oh. Oh, now you fixed your leak. There we go. I can't hold it anymore. Oh, no. I think that's alive, man. It's a big old jellyfish. Did you pop it? You popped it, huh? Oh, no, I sprung a leak, man. I got a little... My belly's got a leak here. Attack of the invading bellies. Oh, wow. Oh, it's like the blob. Cool, man. Okay, see if we can throw this thing in the pool and see what happens. Wait, you grab your side here. 1. Oh, it sprung a leak here. Wait. Here we go. Here. Oh, no. It ripped wide open. Oopsie. Okay, Parker and Joe B, you're in your pterodactyl fort there, huh?
Yeah.
All right. I've got the moo cow and I got Sharky here. We're gonna try and see if we can attack you in the fort. Here comes Sharky and Moo Moo. Oh no, he's blasting back. Oh. Hey, your water balloons don't work on me, huh? Hey. Oh, here comes Sharky.
Not again. I call this one the chair.
The chair? Okay. Okay, this one's called Rodeo. Yeah!
Okay, here's the rodeo.
Rodeo. Yeah, see if you can do better than I do.
Wow!
Oh, wow, man! The chair. Actually, this is more like the porta pot. Here we go. Oh, man.
Okay, I call this one the pterodactyl.
Oh, that's the original, isn't it? Go for it. Fly.
Blowing up!
All right, fly boy. This one's called the boogie board.
The boogie board!
Go for it. See if you can boogie board better than I did. Hey, that wasn't too bad. All right, I'm gonna fly like a pterodactyl.
Uh-oh,
There we
I
go.
better get out of the way.
Pterodactyl.
Hey! Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah, I am thinking what you're thinking. I think. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking bull versus pterodactyl. What are you thinking?
Oh, I was thinking chicken or steak for dinner.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right, yeah,
Okay.
bull versus pterodactyl. That sounds like a winner.
Okay.
Let's go for it.
Winner,
Come on,
winner, chicken
pterodactyl,
dinner.
let's fly.
Who can stay on the longest?
1, 2, 3.
Go!
Fly, go!